गोय आणि उत्तराखंड या दोनूय राज्याची पर्यटनाचो आवाट वाडोवपा खातीर कराराचेर स्वाक्षरी जाली। गोयचो पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे आणि उत्तराखंडाचो मुख्यमंत्री पुष्कर सिंग धामी हांचे हजेरेत ही कबलात जाली। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीच्या देखो अपना देश संकल्पनेखाला दोन राज्यां पयलेच खेप जोडल्यात। ह्या एमओयूचेर स्वाक्षरी करपाक आणि आध्यात्मिक भलायकेन आणि पर्यावरणीय पर्यटनाचेर लक्ष केंद्रित करपाक आमी खोशी आसात, अशें खंवटेन सांगले। ह्या भागीदारी वरवीं आमी सोबीत पुर्विल्ली देवळां दाखोवपाची वाट पळयतात। दक्षिण काशी आणि उत्तर काशी हांकां जोडपी सर्किटाचो एक भाग म्हूण दोनूय राज्याचे पर्यटन क्षेत्र घटमूट करपाचो आणि पर्यटकांक एक आगळोच अविस्मरणीय आध्यात्मिक अनुभव दिवपाचो हो आमचो हेत आसा, अशेंय तांणी सांगले।
We think about, as Goa, we always think about party life, night life, sun, sea and sand. Last 1 year under Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Chief Minister, we have started thinking differently and we have started moving and exploring towards the hinterland. We are exploring wellness, we are exploring adventure, we are exploring ecotourism in a large scale. We are exploring much more avenues than what we have been doing before. With one motive that Goa as a destination, we should be able to provide much more than just talking about sun, sand and sea. We also have come with an innovative idea of digital nomads, where the people who are in the digital space want creativity and they come down to Goa today to utilize this particular space. Because post-COVID, the learnings have been that vacation has been work from home, that culture has developed. And how we could take advantage of it is by doing this hashtag Vacation Goa and start promoting tourism in the aspect that we could. Today, as we sign the MOU with Uttarakhand, we talk about connecting the Arabian Sea to the Ganges and to the Himalayas. The people of Uttarakhand and the people of Goa are very similar. Their Atithi Deva Bhava, I think, is in the blood of both the people of Uttarakhand and Goa. We have contrasting features in terms of the tourism that we have, and that makes it much more better for all of us to connect in terms of putting tourism in the right place. Now, when we talk about our MOU, what does the MOU talk about? When we talked about Uttarakhand and we talked about our Goa state coming together, these are two diverse states in the country. And India, when we say, is very incredible. We have so much of diversity कि हमारे दादा परदादा बोलते थे, and now today our Prime Minister also says that our one life is not enough to see our own country. Forget going outbound. So as we start promoting inbound tourism within our state, important aspects are two things. One is the trade moving on its own and government facilitating the trade to ensure that the trade moves in the right direction and contributes back to the economy and employment of the state. आज
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365।